welcome back. So today, the third day of the 12 Days of Christmas collab, and I have decided I am going to do this mould. Now, both my boys absolutely love trains, absolutely mad on them, and I saw this on Temu and I just thought I would love to make this into a Christmas train. I would love to make it into a Christmas train. So that's what we're going to do today. There are a few things in these molds that I don't quite understand what they're for yet, but I'm sure we'll get to grips of it once we demold it. I am going to be doing this in Eco Pour just because of how deep it is and everything else, and you know, I don't have a lot of time left to get these videos made. So, and the other thing is, I think it'll look really nice in Eco Pour, really nice. I did a keepsake the other day. The marbling was just absolutely gorgeous on it, and I'm going to see if I can recreate it in these. So this is going to be a nice little decoration for my boys on the windowsill for Christmas, and I just think it's going to look absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up my Eco Pour, I'm going to get my pigment, I'm going to swirl it round, and I'm going to pour these straight away, and hopefully within, I don't know, half an hour they'll be cured enough to demold without breaking them. So if you give me 2 minutes, I'll mix up my Eco Pour and I'll come back to you when it's time to add the pigment. 2 minutes, guys. Welcome back. So these are all set now. Let's see how they look. Let's see if I can get it off. Might take some persuasion. Right, we're getting there. So there's the first one. Came out really nice. It's got a little hole at the top. I'm not sure what that's for yet, but we'll find out. Got this one coming out now. Look at that marbling. That's so good. So that's the second one. I'm sorry for the noise, by the way. We've got a little bit of a storm brewing outside, so if you can hear whistling, I'm very sorry. And the last bit is the train. This marbling is just as good as last time. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. And I'm quite pleased because there's only one tiny bubble there and there as well. But other than that, it's all come out pretty nice and neat. So that's how they're supposed to go. We'll be doing other things to these, but I'm going to let them fully cure first because they are still a bit damp. So I will do some more tomorrow with them. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Stars are hanging diamonds in the velvet winter night. I hear the laughter echo from a home that feels so right. It's Christmas, sweet Christmas tonight. Candles flicker in the window, warm as every heart I know. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little kettle singing softly while the kids build snowy dreams, and cinnamon is dancing through the air in gentle beams. We wrap our hopes in ribbons, tie them tight at all the seams. It's Christmas, we live in the dream. Hear the choir down the lane now, singing joy again somehow. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Hold me just a little closer underneath the tree. This snowlight Christmas feels like home to me. And as the bells start ringing, our worries drift away. We're holding on to every wish we whispered through the day. May this feeling stay with us when winter melts to spring. The love we make at Christmas is the truest kind of thing. Oh, it's a snowlight Christmas, magic in the air. Every little moment says love is everywhere. Stay with me forever, where you're meant to be. This snowlight Christmas feels like home, feels like home to me.
That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've all enjoyed it, and I will be back on tomorrow for the 4th day, and we will be doing something quite similar to this but just a little bit different. I'll see you then.